Hey everyone, this month we'll be working on this stylized flamethrower, and this is what I have so far. As you can see, we having a flamethrower here, a little bit of black smoke or very dark smoke around this area. I try to keep it as optimized as possible, so let's preview the shader complexity. As you can see, we've got a cutout texture here to shrink those sprites. Here is a bit problematic, so we might lower the spawn count, and also we've got a mask material here for those sparks or large flame shapes as well. Okay, so that will be this month, and next month I'm gonna maybe work on some sort of impact for this effect. Maybe there will be line of characters or maybe a wall, and gonna try to create some sort of interaction with the surface. Maybe also a decal, and maybe the ground's going to be on fire. I haven't decided yet. This is just what I've got for this month, and this is for tier 1. So now let's dive into tier 2 content. Last month on tier 2 we worked on those steam effects for that gate, and this month we'll be diving into creating this loot drop effect. So there are plenty of meshes there. As you can see, we're just gonna grab this loot drop and take it to Houdini, create some meshes for it, like those lines coming from that object. We're gonna create some swirls in Houdini as well, and bring it back everything into Unreal Engine and create some materials for it. Okay, we're gonna try to reuse what we already built. Like for example, there is this very soft smoke coming from it. We're probably gonna reuse either smoke from our thruster that we've done, or maybe some of the steam effect as well, and try to implement it into that loot drop. If it's not going to work, then we're just gonna go to Embergen and create a bit more softer version of it. But this is the effect that we will be working on tier 2 as a continuation on our sci-fi bunker course. All right, that's all for this month. Thank you so much for your support.